Now back to our regularly scheduled, I didn't say that right, but you know what I mean. Back to the regularly scheduled programming. I am going to pretend that the pencil is a mouse and go over the bait part of the mouse trap. All right. Getting closer so you can see this a little bit better. So I'm going to I moved a little bit. Before I get to that, you can see right here that there is another place where you can put bait at. You can actually put it down in this box right here, and it has some spikes right here. It has spikes so the food would adhere to it and not just fall out, or may take a little bit of work for the rat or mouse to get the and that is the rat trap. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.